In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord bot at Replit. We'll go from a blank workspace to a connected bot using Replit and the Discord developer portal. And I'll point out a few tips to keep everything running smoothly. First, head to the Replit homepage and open your workspace. From there, go into the general area to get to the tools we need. You'll see a field where you can type. Use that search or input just as shown on screen, then start the project to spin up your bot environment. Once the project opens, switch into the agent chat area. This is your space to make, test, and iterate quickly. If you want extra code snippets or prompt ideas while you're building, you can open Gemini in a separate tab and grab suggestions to refine your bot's behavior. Back in Replit, choose the option to connect to Discord. If any pop-ups or onboarding tips appear, simply dismiss them so you can focus on the setup flow. When you're ready, click Build to begin configuring the integration. Now open the Discord developer portal, create a new application, give it a name, and confirm. You may be asked to complete a quick I am human check. Go ahead and do that. In the application's left sidebar, open the bot section. There, reset the bot token and confirm when prompted. If Discord asks for verification, choose the option to verify with something else. Use a code sent to your phone, enter the code, and submit. When the new token is revealed, copy it. Important tip: treat this token like a password. Never share it or commit it to public code. Return to Replit and follow the on-screen prompts to continue. If you're asked for the token, paste it into the secure field provided and proceed through the remaining continue screens to finish the linkage. If you see a message about needing to enable message content intent, switch back to the Discord developer portal, stay in the bot section, and enable that intent. This permission allows your bot to read message content where it's permitted, which many basic bots need to respond properly. Save your changes. Finally, return to Replit and wrap up the build flow. At this point, your bot should be connected. If something doesn't respond right away, give it a moment, then test in a channel where the bot has access. Keep your token safe, and if you ever suspect it's exposed, reset it immediately in the portal and update it in Replit. That's it.